Welcome to the sleepy suburbs of Ancaster, Ontario. These guys started replacing this roof yesterday and left it like that. And then we had a thunderstorm roll over. So I hope there's not any flood damage. Talking of flood damage, we need to check under the cover and make sure Bugsy's okay. As you probably know, he doesn't have any drivers or passenger window. But before I do that, I need to rehome this little chappie. He was obviously trying to get in the garage through the rain, so he's going straight into the fish and tackle box. No, I'm only joking, I can go over here. Oh, he's a squirmy guy. There you go. You see some seagull will come down and gobble him up. Anyway, let's go on with it. Max water repellent my ass. I'm not too worried about the exterior getting wet. I mean, it is a car after all. It just needs more clear coat on it. It's more the interior. Obviously I've got this gaping hole here and rain is getting in. That's okay, that's marine grade pleather, but it's more the carpet I'm concerned about. As long as I've left enough holes for the water drain out, but that is definitely wet. A bit squishy. The trunk area is also a bit wet because I don't have any rubber seal coming around here. I really need to think about this because Bugsy is going to be sitting outside over winter. For now, I think I will roll him back into the sunlight and let him dry off. In fact, we should probably go for a wee drive. That'll get rid of all the water, right? I need a couple of things from Wally World anyway, so I'll be back shortly. To park your hot rod as far away from other cars. You don't want any door dings. You know what? I think I want to paint Bugsy before winter. Not like a perfect paint job, but something more along the lines of what Rat Rod Bob does. So it still is painted, but it's not like, it doesn't need to be perfect. So, Alan, Hook's Hot Rods, I need to come down and grab some old paint to practice with. I've not painted anything in years. So I will send you a message and I'll see you soon, because I think we need paint. Anyway, let's go home. So I actually had planned to do something constructive today. I was wanting to fit a new speedometer bullet into my transmission, but I can't do that for two reasons. One, I just can't concentrate with the banging noise, and two, these guys do like to play loud copyrighted music, which is completely pointless because it will just get bleeped out on YouTube. So instead, actually, I think they're nearly done, but I don't think I'm going to have time to do what I wanted to do. So instead, we will discuss paint. Now, I mentioned Rat Rod Bob. If you don't know who Rat Rod Bob is, have you been living in a cave? I will post a link up here and also in the description to one of his videos where he has completely painted his Rat Rod truck with a very unique effect, which I really like. I also really like his colour, but I don't want to just copy. So have a look at the video, see what you think. If you like it, leave a comment on what colour you think I should go with. The choice is endless. I mean, I could go with a sort of turquoise effect, which would kind of look more patina like, or I could go a dark blue or a yellow, anything, I don't know. It's a really hard effect to Photoshop, so I can't really just do take a picture of Bugsy and superimpose colours. It's not that easy. If you have a look at his video, you'll see what I'm talking about. But I'm not wanting to paint it properly at the moment, because there's too much bodywork needing done, and I don't want to spend all the time in the bodywork if I can get new panels for it, which I can't get at the moment because, you know, no swap meets. There's one swap meet, but the chance of me getting all the panels I want at one swap meet this year, pretty slim. So noisy. The joys of YouTubing from home. So that is your challenge for today. Leave a comment, let me know what sort of colour you would go with, or not so much what you would go with, but what would suit Bugsy. Until then, I will see you in the next one, and the next video will have round 4 of the PP game. Take care, bye.